Okay, so in this tutorial video, I would like to demonstrate how to modify the centroid measurement of an observation. So in this example, I have generated 3 observations of a known object. So it's always good practice that before you submit your observations, that you inspect them visually. So here's the first observation, second observation, and the third observation. So I have already checked out these observations, the measurements are very good, and so there's actually no reason in this particular case to modify the centroid measurement. Having said that, this is a tutorial video, the purpose of which is to demonstrate how you can modify the centroid, so let's pretend as though we want to modify the centroid. So we can right-click on the observation and choose Modify Observation, and that gives us 2 options. The first of which is to move centroid with arrow buttons. So when we check that box, we now have full control and we can move the centroid manually. Now, there's almost never a good reason to move the centroid manually, but we do have that option. So let's pretend as though we want the centroid to be located here, and so we can now click this button, Apply Centroid specified by green crosshairs. So when we do that, take note that the right ascension and declination of the observation will be updated. So it has now been updated. And as you see, that first observation now points to this new centroid location here. Now let's pretend like we want to go back and fix the measurement. So we can go right-click, Modify Observation, and this time we want to have the program compute the centroid for us. So we still have to navigate to the pixel where we believe the center of the object is located, but once we are there, we can now choose Recalculate using current pixel location. So now you see the centroid has been fixed and the measurement is now valid. So I hope that informs you the 2 different ways in which you can modify the centroid. So thanks for watching and see you next time.